All right, my friends, I don't know about you, but I'm super glad they didn't ask me to simplify all of them. But the work that we have here in part A was pretty helpful with picking out the right term. So the x to the fifth term is this one right there. So if you were to just simplify that term, so let's see, the x to the fifth term is 7 combination 2 multiplied by x to the fifth and then multiplied by 7 squared. So if you were to simplify it, the coefficient would come from in part from this coefficient and then in part from this 7 squared that you see here as well. So if we simplify it, 7 combination 2 is 7 factorial over 7 minus 2, or 5 factorial, multiplied by 2 factorial. And then we'd multiply by that 7 squared that you see there, and then you'd also have that x to the fifth, okay? So let's cancel stuff down. So the 5 factorial and the 7 factorial cancel. You're left with 7 times 6. The 2 factorial and the 6 could cancel. You're left with 3. So we're left with 7 times 3 times this 7 squared right there. A lot of people forget that you get a little more, not just, you get more than just the combination. So you have to kind of pay attention to what your A and B terms were. Anyway, so, ooh, gross. So let's see, 7 squared is 49. Oh boy, so 7 times 3 times 49. How do I want to go about this? Okay. Well, 7 times 49 is kind of like 7 times 50, which totally would have been 350, but you're losing a 7. So that would be 343. And so then I just have to do 343 times a 3, which is equal to 900 plus 120, which is 1,020 plus 9. Wait, did I do that right? No. Oh my goodness. 900, 120, and 9, right? Yes. Yes. No. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. I think it's 1,021.9. I really don't know for sure. Okay. With that said, the question was just what's the coefficient? So the answer would be that the coefficient was equal to 1,029. There we go. I think. No guarantees. All right, my friends, let's do another example and see if you can figure this out. Okay, example 3. Example 2, I think I mean. Find the coefficient of the x to the 8th times y to the 6th term. And actually, do I want to give you one that easy? The simplified expansion of actually, let's change this a little. Not x to the 8th, y to the 6th. Let's save ourselves an example. Let's go to x to the 9th, y to the 8th, and then let's give you x cubed minus 2y to the 11th. There we go. That's a guaranteed good time. The other example I was about to write was going to be too easy for you, and then we're going to have to do this example next. Let's just skip to this example, shall we? You're accelerated pre-calculus. Let's accelerate. All right, see how it goes. Check in with me in the next video.